Check out this 2019 Mazda 3 sedan. Reduced thousands due to a total loss history from early 2023, but with only about 39,000 miles. This vehicle is still a dealer-certified pre-owned unit, backed by our Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles of coverage. Plus, you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you buy. It has a clean title, has been recently registered in Georgia, and is a local trade-in, so it's ready to be tagged and registered in Georgia. For added peace of mind, ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. We understand that buying a car is a big decision, and we want you to feel completely confident. That's why we encourage a pre-purchase inspection before you make your decision. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and warranty, so act quickly to lock in all these great benefits. Come check out this 2019 Mazda 3 sedan today, a great deal with excellent value and peace of mind.